it's very easy for a sales manager to come into their dashboard and add a filter onto their dashboard. Over on the right-hand side, I have a dashboard filters icon. And when I go to add a filter to my dashboard, you'll notice the reports that I have on my dashboard are giving me options for what I can actually filter on that individual report. And for today's example, we're going to go ahead and adjust the expected close date and filter all of those reports to this quarter. I hit save, and you'll notice the reports that have those runtime filters on it are adjusted. And now I'm looking at my pipeline for just this quarter as a sales manager. I also have the option to add additional filters beyond my first one that I just created. I just hit edit filters, hit my plus sign. And again, you can see I've already adjusted the runtime filter on the opportunities expected close date. If I wanted to add a new filter, let's say by user, select my username, and I'm going to choose the is one of options. And this is where I can choose to filter and look at individual sales reps pipeline. I'll choose Chris. When I hit save, now we're just looking at Chris's pipeline for this upcoming quarter.